very proud of these two people because the first thing, they are friends. Some people get married when they're not friends. It's okay that they're bachi, bamukwano. After kubera bamukwano, beyagala nnyo. Kubera bamukwano bunga tukwagala. Now you're friends, you love each other, and you have decided to tell this whole nation. By the way, if you are here in America, they are watching us now. Please, for me, I've been married for a very long time. This is my message to you on behalf of my sister Cindy. Cindy becomes my sister because when she started her journey in music, I realized she's a very talented woman. And in the people who tried to make Cindy one of the greatest artists, I was one of them. We sang a song. She has been a very lucky woman, by the way. We sang a song called Tomalako Angekolifa Oteke Vako Ziteke Zange Kakati. Prince, and that is one thing. Two, Cindy has already proven she's already guilty. That is why I'm very happy that you have friends, the Ujingos, the Emamulondos, the Patus, who are ready to say, if you have a problem, don't worry. Marriage is like a hill on a slope. You just talk to your friend. Don't go to the press. We have a small problem, we can sort it out. So me and my Muchala, Mariam, we love each other, and we have had so many problems and so many days of laughter. But the most important thing, in front of all these great people, you have decided that they came better living than you talk on. I don't want to be the speaker of the day. I want to tell Cindy, she's a very strong woman. Everyone knows she's a leader, Uganda Musician Association. Every musician in Uganda, this is the president. And this marriage, this wedding is setting a record. Let every musician, let every film star get married. We must formalize our love. And the press people stop poking people's love affairs. Because people start saying, but this is and this is reality. She's tried, tested, and believed to be a good woman. Cindy, Prince, Margarisa, Ebirungi Yoka. Bakamata abantu benya eri mubanyangoli. Ente bakabantu ati zenga bekibono. Sente. Kanete mitwala 5 katika. Tulino okubeera nga tuyonja okusanyuka mwebalimu ebirenda. Cindy, I'm so happy. Prince, I'm so happy. And all the people, for all your time, thank you so much. Mwebalimu ebirenda. Now, I'm telling you.
Me, I'm very, very excited, by the way. This feels like a family reunion, a very proper family reunion. Abayimbi, actors, arts and creative industry. Thank you very much for bringing us out of town, Cindy and Prince. Thank you. Well, you know, like I've said to you, if this wedding was in Kampala, it would be a different story. Singapore security is working overtime. You know what I'm talking about.